Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine, Pie Face! That's right, we've got the game Pie Face and it's all set up, ready to go. Which means the engine that loses gets a pie to the face!
Phew! I'm glad it's not us this time. I'm too pretty for a pie in the face.
Is getting a pie to the face supposed to be a bad thing? I think it sounds yummy!
Starting things off, Scruff versus Hero. Hero, your face is a little small for that cutout. Hero, can you even see? Next up, Charlie versus Philip. This is Philip's first competition ever on the Choo channel. Charlie, since you're a joker, you should be used to a pie in the face. Whoa, it missed your face and went on top of your head. And now, Ryan versus Rosie. Three, two, one, blast off! Boy, you're gonna need a bath after that. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Dan versus Thomas. Okay, Thomas, now it's your turn. Boy, Thomas, I hope you like whipped cream because you just got a lot of it. Semifinals, Philip versus Scruff. Wow, Scruff, that looked rough. Dan versus Rosie, who will face Philip in the finals. Audience, please be quiet during the competition. Thank you. Rosie seems really determined to not get pie in her face. That's a good luck for you, Dan. Final round! Philip versus Rosie!
Now Rosie's gonna have to get pie in the face.
Philip wins his first ever competition!
Hey, Charlie, since you like jokes too, go tell Sydney I made him a pie. It's waiting for him over there and he needs to go get it. You know, that Joker's a really nice guy. I don't even know why they call him a villain. This is great! Hey, what's that noise? Oh well, it was totally worth it. I'll do anything for sweets.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up or else we'll throw a pie in your face.